In this video, I'll show how to replace the battery on a Philips E3000 Multigroom trimmer. First, remove the small gray cover by sliding a screwdriver between the button and cover. Then, take off the button. Push the inner body out with both thumbs. If stuck, use a screwdriver to loosen it. Inside, you'll find the battery. Take note of the wiring. In my case, the blue wire was soldered to the positive end, and a small component connected to the bottom, which is part of the charging system. The black wire ran from the motor to a small pin on the bottom, along with a leaf spring that connects to the negative end. Use a soldering iron to disconnect the old battery. The original is AA nickel metal hydride 1200 mAh. I replaced it with a 2000 mAh cell for about $4. Solder the new one in, matching the wiring. Then reassemble in reverse order and your trimmer is ready again.